Hello Penguins, we are through with the first 5 months of 2019. To give you an update on what has happened in the powder segment during this period, the powder segment had a turbulent start to the year 2019. The hard work of getting price increases done in 2018 had just started showing benefits, but parallelly the volumes and values have not been growing the way we would have liked it to. This basically was due to the low offtake by dish manufacturers due to lack of clarity in the government policies. Royal Enfield was forced to close one production unit due to fall in sales, and that has affected our supplies to a large extent. Pipe business has been low as we decided to be selective on taking orders. We have walked out of low margin business. Architectural pickup too has been slow due to market conditions. However, things have started picking up since May. The dish industry is looking up and supplies to major customers have resumed. We have quoted for some pipe inquiries which are expected to be finalized soon, thus expecting a good H2 with respect to pipe. Displaying a good example of teamwork, our architectural team and regional teams have successfully won a couple of architectural projects. The support from TS and operations deserves a special mention. The TS team, who has been working at odd hours conducting trials at various locations, has succeeded in instilling a lot of confidence in our customers. The operations team, including lab, QC, CSD, purchase and production, has always been very supportive and have stood up to some steep challenges to ensure that we meet our commitments to customers. Looking ahead, the projects followed up in the first half of 2019 will help us grow functional business in H2. Strong project follow-ups in architectural will also materialize in H2. In GI, the growth will come from dish, DG sets and the auto industry. The ongoing Troika projects with major customers will also help in reviving lost business and add new customers. Despite all the turbulence, our seasoned team is taking it head on and we are confident of delivering a good 2019. Thank you everyone for listening in and wish you all the very best for the future.